Hello guys, this is Ghost Power again. So I want to show you this application that allows you to listen to music and you are getting paid. So all you just need to do is to pay attention to this video. Let me show you step by step how this application works. First, you just need to go to your Google Play Store. Let me show you how the application works. Come to your Google Play Store and search for current app. Just search for current app. So once you search for current app, is this one here that have music icon, that have modem, and you have to install it if you have not installed the application. So once you install it, to register is very simple. You only need your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail account and password. You are good to go. They will send you an email for verification. You click on you go to that Gmail they sent to you. You click on that Gmail, you are good to go. So your account will be verified. The next is for you to go and install the application if you have never installed it. So click on install. Let me show you. So once you have installed the application, this is how it will look on your smartphone. Let's assume now that you have registered. So I will click on open. So the application is going to open up. Because I'm using it, that is why I just pop up this that you can see on the screen. So I will just close this window. So as you can see, if I want to start listening to music, all I just need to do is to click on this music icon and click on search. I can search for any music. Let me say, for example, I search for like any music at all. Let me say, okay, we search for Chris Brown. If we search for Chris Brown now, Chris Brown, you can see Chris Brown have pop up. All I just need to do is to click on Chris Brown, and I will click on the radio station that is playing Chris Brown music, and immediately Chris Brown music will start playing and other music will start playing along too. So that is how you can listen to music and get paid. All I just need to do, you can see the play button at the bottom. I will just click on the play button and I will start listening to music. I will start getting paid in return. And other way you can make money with this application, which is current app, is when you click on booster. So when you click on booster here, you have the chance of doing a lot of things. You can see that you can play game. You can play game and you will get paid for playing games. All you just need to do is to follow the instruction. You can see you will make almost 75 points for just taking surveys. Playing games. So all you just need to do, install all those games, and more you are playing all those games, more you are having a chance of getting paid. You get paid by points. You can convert the points into paper cash. If I click on offers here, you will see that if I take surveys from all those applications, all those websites, I'm going to get paid in return for just doing that. You can see they are going to pay me 5 times of every survey I take. If I take survey, they are going to pay me 5 times of that survey. So that is how it works if you want to take surveys. And here again, if you want to watch video, let's assume that you want to watch video. If I click on this session now, you can see that for just watching that ad, what I want to say that immediately you click on that video button, it's going to automatically play video. So you have to be careful if you don't want to show a video. If you don't want to watch video, automatically you click on that video button, and it will automatically start playing, which is this video button. Once you click it, it will automatically start playing any video any ad that is available for you to watch. And that is how you can do that. So you can click on surveys again. If you want to take more survey, you can see other website that allow you to take surveys. So that is how the survey site work. And yeah, that is what I need to talk about this session. And if you scroll down, you will see a bunch of surveys that you can complete. You see 4 minutes, you will earn 576 points. 6 minutes, you earn 672 points. So it continuously, like you can see, if you take 20 minutes of surveys, you will earn 1,882 points for just taking surveys. So yeah, I know you'll be saying, okay, there's a lot of ways you can make money. What is there any other way that you can make money? You can see they have daily sweep takes. You can go and participate on the daily sweep takes, which is the daily sweep takes means that maybe, for example, they will say, okay, you have to at least every day you have to be making like 200 points. If you're able to get 200 points, you will make extra cash. That is how the daily sweep takes work. If I click on these here at the bottom, you will see that they have a bunch of these that you can go and complete and you will get paid. How the D works, when you click on the D, it will tell you everything you need to do for you to be able to get this $20 to $50 bonus mode. So that is how it works. Once you click on get D, you will sign up and follow the instruction of what is said. And once you complete it, you are going to get paid the amount of money they told you that they will pay you. That is how the D session work. If I click on redeeming session, that is how you can get paid. If I click on the redeem button, you will see they have a bunch of ways that you can use to receive your money. They have Bitcoin, which is coin list. They have PayPal. They have BB, they have a bunch of ways that you can use to cash out your money. Can see a bunch of ways. You can use Free Fire, you can use PayPal, you can buy a ear set. A Fortnite is there that you can, if you want to subscribe on all those services, you can just join them. So you can see a bunch of ways that you can use. You can even use your money to buy watch, you can use it to buy game, you can use it to buy speakers. So it depends on what you want to use your money to do. So it's very, very simple. Everything depends on you. So if you want it, you can come and try the application out. And other way you can, now you know how you can redeem your cash if you want to redeem your money with PayPal. Normally, I usually use PayPal. So if you want, you can use anything that you want. It depends on what you want to use. And make money too is by referring people to this program. That is why you need to use my link in the description. So you can just refer anyone to this program and you are getting paid in return. You know, copy the link, share it with your friends. And once they join this application, start using it, you are going to be getting paid in return. So how much are you going to, let me say, for example, you are listening to music. How much can you make per minute? It depends. Each day they are changing. So current app is changing every time. Sometimes they might put that 1.0 point is per minute. You are making 2.4 points. As you can see currently today now at the top, you can see where you can find music icon. You can see that current app is going to pay you 0.044 which is 4 points per minute. So that is how much you can make by listening to music. For surveys, they already told you can find it automatically. Let me say, if you click on Booster, you can see automatically they're already showing you 576 points for just taking surveys. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. It's not complicated. So yeah, and other way you can make money too is by if I click on this referral session where you can refer people and get paid, you can see you will make up 5% lifetime from anyone you refer to this program. If I click on this settings icon, the last part of this video, if I click on the settings icon, you will see that you can make money by you can put this auto play music automatically, which it will automatically play music anytime you open the application. And you can use another way to make money by charging your phone. If I click on this charge screen, I will start making money anytime I'm charging my phone. If I click on this section where it says push notification, it will be showing me notification time to time. If I click on background location, this one will still be giving me some offers and some services that I can do and get paid. So that is everything I need to talk about. Let me show you proof that I have make money from this application. So if I click on history here, well, you can see transaction history. You can see it at the bottom. If I click on transaction history, you will see I have made a lot of points from this application. I'm not just talking. So if I click on redeem here, you will see that I have cashed out into my PayPal account 3 times plus offers that I got. So this is to show you proof that I make money from this application. I'll say thank you very much if you watch this video to the end. And again, don't forget again to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll say thank you very much. If you like this video, like I said again, don't forget to smash the like button. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if you like this video. I'll say thank you very much and see you on the next one.